Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please help me welcome our birthday celebrant. Up your hands to Mary Irvina! Palakpakan! There she is! Birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Let's make it louder and faster! Happy birthday to you! Ba-da-pam-pam. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! One more time! Happy birthday to you! Sing! Louder! Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Everybody say, happy birthday, Mary Irvina. Say, we love you. Mary Irvina, what will you say? Happy birthday. How old are you now? Hello, Irvina. How old are you? Today, we are celebrating the first birthday party of Mary Irvina. She is now 1 year old. A round of applause! Mommy, is there a way to say your opening speech to our visitors? Say your opening speech.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'd like to thank all of you for coming here to celebrate with us Nana's first birthday. Despite the distance, we are here. Thank you for sharing your time with us to make this celebration more memorable. Thank you and God bless us all.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to one more time. Happy birthday, Nana. Happy birthday, Nana.